Hello everyone. So our next topic is immutable string. As we know that string objects are immutable. So what is the meaning of immutable? It simply means that it cannot be modified or changed. Once the string is created, it will remain. We cannot modify or change the string. So once string data is created, its data or state cannot be changed, but a new string object is created. So let's see how it is immutable with the help of example. Suppose we have a string tel comma. So this is my string str1, and if I do str1 dot concat technology. So when I will do this, it doesn't mean that here in the string pool str1 contain the value this telecom. This str1 will contain the value telecom. But when I append this value, then str1 will point to the telecom technology, but this telecom will be remain in the pool. This that will remain in the string pool. It will not vanished from the string pool, or it will not be modified. It will be there in the string pool. Only the reference of str1 now points to this string. Now str1 will points to telecom technology, but telecom itself will be remain in the pool. It will remain in the pool. It will be dereference from the pool. This telecom will be dereference, and this let str1 will point to telecom technology. So this is the meaning of the immutable. This string objects is immutable, that once the string is created, it will remain in the string pool, and whenever we will modify the string, it will create the new string, and reference will be changed. So previous reference will be changed to new one. So string reference will point to the new string, and this pointer to this will be deref reference, but this telecomma will be remain in the pool. So this is the meaning of the this is the meaning of immutability. Immutability. So string object is immutable. This is immutable. Now our next topic is Java string comparison. So in Java we compare the strings. So there are three ways to compare the string. One is equals, another is equal to by operator, and third one is compare to. So let's see what is the difference between all of all of them and how we compare the two string. So let's see with the help of an example. Suppose we have the string str2 is equal to, suppose, telecom. So if we dot println, if we str1 dot equals str1 dot equals str2, then it should return true, because this equals will compare the content in the str. So it will compare the content. So str1 and str2 the content is same, tally comma tally comma, so these two strings are equal. And second, go to str2, what it will be display, what it will show. So it should also display the true, because this equal to will compare the reference. So as we know that when str1 is created, it will create a tally comma in the string pool. So when we create the str2, then it will refer to the same tally comma. This tally comma will be a single string in the string pool to which the str1 will be pointing, and after that when we create the second string, then str2 will be pointing to the same tally comma. So both the reference are equal, both the reference are equal. So string is equal to string 2 will be equal, and string str3 is equal to, suppose we have tally comma. So what will be the output if we do, suppose we will compare one with the 3 and one with the 3. So in both the cases it will be false. So other two cases will be false because here t is capital. So it will create a separate string tally comma with uppercase T in the string pool, and they will have separate reference and separate uh, content is different. So both of them will show the uh, false. And but there is one more comparison here. If equals dot equals ignore case str3. Now here the case will be ignored and last one will show the true, because it will ignore the case. It will ignore the uppercase or lowercase. If it is in uppercase, it will assume it as same. So they will be they will be true. Now then we have this compare to, and here in compare to we will ignore all of them. And here we will do equals compare dot compare to str2, and so this compare to method will one with 3, it will either return 0 or 1 or -1. If first string in our comparison, if second string is greater, then it will return 1. If second string is equal to first string, then it will return 0, or else it will return -1. So as you can see that here it is 0 and 32. It is returning value greater than this str3 is greater than str1. But if I increase this value by some amount, then see the output. Here you can see that it goes to -13, and this 1 and 3 is -19. So it will compare the two strings. When two strings are equal, it will this s1 and s2 are equal, so it will return 0, right? When s2 is greater than, it will return positive value. When s1 is greater than, it will return negative value. So this is how the comparative works. And this is how we do the comparison in string. So there are three ways to compare: equals, which will compare the content; then we have equal to, which will compare the reference; then we have compared, which will compare whether this string is greater or this is not. So thank you for watching.